Meteorologist Brett Anderson here in the 1011 Weather Center. Here's the forecast for your Friday as well as the weekend, and we'll also discuss next week's cool down and potential for precipitation. For your Friday, you may see a few scattered clouds, especially central and eastern areas, but overall mostly sunny skies. Going to be breezy, a little cooler this afternoon. Northwest wind 15 to 25 with a few gusts between 30 and 35 miles per hour possible this afternoon and this evening. Generally clear skies for tonight with temperatures dropping down into the 20s and lower 30s, but as we head into Saturday, looking for mostly sunny skies, temperatures a few degrees warmer, and a westerly breeze at 10 to 20 with gusts between 25 and 30 miles per hour. So we're going to take a look at a couple of different forecast models as we head into next week. First, the Euro Regional Skycast, and then the GFS. So basically, over the weekend, we're talking about sunshine and very comfortable temperatures, 60s and even some 70s as we head into Saturday. Again, this is the Sunday forecast, the Euro. Now, heading into next week, Monday looks very good. We'll see some increasing high-level clouds, but there is a storm system to the west that begins to move into the plains as we head into Tuesday. Now, this is Tuesday at 3 o'clock. We may see a few sprinkles. We may see some flurries mixed in. This, again, is according to the Euro model, but really not looking much in the way of precipitation. It will be windy on Tuesday and turning colder, and then cold and blustery conditions as we head into Wednesday. And beyond that, we see those temperatures warm back up again with mainly sunny skies by the end of next week. So that's the Euro model. Here's a look at the GFS. Again, heading into the weekend, models agree. Sunshine, mild temperatures, and even into your Monday looking pretty good. Maybe some high-level clouds, but again, very warm temperatures. Into late Tuesday, well, this is Tuesday morning, but into Tuesday night to Wednesday, this system moves through. Colder, windy conditions. There could be some flurries or snow showers, especially for northern and western section of the state. Maybe a bit of a dusting for eastern and southeastern section of the state, again, Tuesday night to Wednesday. Again, this is the GFS model. So this particular model has maybe a little bit of snow for the Lincoln area, south central, southeast Nebraska. Tuesday night into Wednesday, maybe a little bit more in northern sections of the state. But other than that, we'll eventually see decreasing clouds, more sunshine by the end of next week as well. So let's check out the 7-day precipitation potential. Let's just take a look at this. And this actually goes from today until Friday, March 1st. And this particular outlook only has precipitation in western Nebraska, a trace to 1/10 of an inch. So not looking at a very good chance for measurable precipitation according to this model for Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's go back to, let's kind of zoom in and focus in. This is the snowfall potential, the GFS model. Remember I said this one could actually maybe give a bit of a dusting or so to Lincoln and Grand Island Tuesday night to Wednesday. This ends Wednesday at 11 o'clock. Again, starts Tuesday night into Wednesday. And right now for Columbus, Grand Island, Hastings, Lincoln, this basically indicates less than an inch, probably even less than a half an inch. Now for Ainsworth and Valentine back into the Panhandle, maybe a 2 to 4 inch snowfall. Again, that's the GFS model. As we take a look at the European model, same time frame, very little in the way of snow. Maybe a little bit in the Panhandle, but most of us don't see much in the way of snow or trace. Other areas, just a little bit of a dusting. So that's what it looks like at this point, Friday for that system, Tuesday and Wednesday. So precipitation, not exactly 100% sure on. Looks like it's going to be fairly light, nothing significant. But it will be sharply colder for parts of the state Tuesday and Wednesday with a gusty wind. Let's head back to the Friday forecast for the Lincoln area. About 61 the high, mostly sunny skies. We will have a west-northwest breeze. Pick up later today at about 50 to 25 with gusts between 30 and 35 miles per hour. 60 in Seward, 61 in Wilbur. So yes, cooler today, but these high temperatures are still well above average. This is where we should be for February 23rd. Low to mid 40s are average highs, and they're looking at 61 in Lincoln today, Ord 58, Broken Bow 57, and McCook around 60 degrees. 62 in Hebron, 60 in Syracuse, 59 in Fullerton Friday afternoon, 53 in O'Neill, and 58 degrees in North Platte. Lows tonight, 20s and 30s, down to 28 in Lincoln with 30, Kearney, Hastings, and Grand Island. Quick look at the weekend forecast for Lincoln. So I'm not even going to try to say the word specifics. 28 degrees Friday night, 65 Saturday, breezy conditions, Cool for Saturday night, 34. Perhaps a little less wind on Sunday with a high near 67 degrees. And again, looking at the weekend forecast, looking at temperatures generally in the 60s, maybe a little breezy on Saturday for the Grand Island area, and then looking at 50s and 60s, even maybe some 70s, 71 McCook Sunday afternoon. High temperatures for your Saturday into the 60s, and it will be a bit breezy, 65 in Lincoln, 65 in Kearney, and then highs on Sunday, upper 50s across the north, but most of us will be in the 60s, so perhaps even 71 in McCook, 67 in Lincoln, and 65 in Grand Island. Here's your 10-day forecast. Again, very nice weekend, a little breezy Saturday, a little less wind on Sunday. Monday, very warm, mid-70s. Now, the record high for February 26th in Lincoln as 79 degrees, set back in 1896. Probably safe the way it looks at this point. Then Tuesday and Wednesday, there's the transition period, upper 50s. That may occur early in the day. Windy, slight chance for sprinkle showers for Tuesday. Then Tuesday night to Wednesday, a slight chance for maybe some flurries or maybe even a snow shower, but breezy and 37 for the high temperature. We rebound, though, near 60 Thursday, 67 on the first day of March, the first day of meteorological spring. And then next weekend, the first weekend of March, it's possible we could be around 70 again with a slight chance for rain late Sunday afternoon.